A computer cable. Holy holy that's a DVR is what that is. That is absolutely a DVR. I bet that's from a robbery or something, probably. I bet it is. Holy well, there you go. That's fascinating right there. It's like a power supply and a camera. Holy smokes. Wonder what else is down there. Alright, so this is all tangled up with fishing gear. I'm going to take it with me. Let me grab my scissors that I carry around. You keep little scissors in my kit just for this purpose, to cut fishing line. Try to get this hook out of here too.